Welcome to the Error Slayer YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to quickly reset Roblox Studio settings to default. If you're ready, the first step is to open Roblox Studio. Then click the File tab in the top left corner. Open Studio Settings. Then click the Reset All Settings button. It says that Roblox Studio needs to be restarted to reset the settings. Click the Restart button. Before restarting Roblox Studio, remember to save anything in your project that you haven't already saved. After restarting, you will see that all Roblox Studio settings have been reset. I hope this step-by-step guide on how to reset Roblox Studio settings to default has been helpful. If you wish, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and like the video. Have a nice day.